Hi, this is Marcia again, and this is the fourth part of the instructional coaching application. This time, we're going to be talking about the school coaching report and the school hour report. So let's take a look here. So here's a school coaching report. In the school coaching report, we're going to go in and we're going to be able to see all the notes that were collected by the facilitator, by the coach, instructional coach, by the admin, by a teammate, by anybody who puts in information into this coaching report will be able to come in and see this. So we have the ability to sort by teachers. We can see all the teachers here. And of course, these are just demo teachers. These are just examples. We can see by date. We can sort by date. So what was said in August 28th. And then we can see what was said clear down here in September 21st. We can do it by notes, we can do it by strategy. So if there's a certain strategy that keeps popping up all the time, it will show there, as well as even next steps. I even like to do a find button. And if I have like future ready as one of my topics that need to be talked about, or even data, I will find all the entries that say data, how to use data in the classroom. So I can say, okay, here's one of our next focus when we get together as a team to talk about what are some ways to use data in our classroom. So that's an example of the school coaching report. Now let's take a look at the school rubric report. Same kind of idea. We have a drop-down, pull-down menu. We have the ability to pick dates. So here are all the dates that I have had rubrics put in. And I can go in and see what do we see in the classroom. Well, because this is just a demo site, it doesn't give us that great of data, but you can see like how many people are in phase 1, phase 2. If we didn't see it, here's another quick one to see if we have any other data that pops up. And we have more orange than purple. So let's show like a real school. And of course, it's one of my schools that I'm working with, and it is again just a combination of how well this school is doing. So we're gonna go back to September, and we're gonna take a look at what was in the classroom environment. Now, this is exactly what we would kind of see in the classroom. We would see like how many teachers are in a phase 2 for planning, which is amazing for the beginning of the year that many teachers were already into a phase 2 planning environment. We see the phase 1, and we see that we didn't see it. If we don't see it, we can't mark it. But it doesn't mean that's not happening. We're just in and out of the classrooms, and we didn't see that much data being used to drive instruction, which they've only been in school for like 5 days, so they're still trying to get to know the students. But what we have here is now we have good talking points about good classroom management ideas, how to keep improving and growing, so that way towards the end of the year, we can see the same thing and how the teachers are progressing and growing as a whole. So the coaching rubric report gives you those rubric data points, where the coaching hour report gives you all the notes in one nice quick little spot. Again, here's a sample of what that would look like. I know it's sort by date, and it even tells me how many hours I got to spend in the classroom, which to me is very valuable. All right, guys, that was the school coaching report and rubric report.